it's Michelle from Noble Touch, and I just thought I would throw the camera on while I do this quick little sleigh Christmas decor. I bought this at the local store. It's a 16.5-inch basket weave sleigh. Now I don't know if they make these for online. I got it for on clearance for $7. It's basket weave sleigh, 16.5. It's a shadloo. I know there's other wicker ones you can find online, as well as you can use any sled. I'm just right now, this is what's nice about the basket weave, I am going through and just zip tying, so I'm just going through the basket weave and zip tying the lights just around the sleigh here. And so I've got a couple already. I just want to get these so they stick up. And you just got to zip tie. Just zip tie in here and there. With the lights. And then of course I've got some leftover lights here, so I'm going to leave some so I can put throughout the middle. I just thought this might be a little cute decor for my Christmas decorations this year. Just pull these tight. Just got to cut off the zip tie ends here. And what I have for this little sleigh, I bought a cute reindeer, and I wish I could positioned it somewhere in the front, but I think it's going to sit in the middle of the sleigh. It's taking some time off apparently, and taking a breather from pulling Santa all around. So, okay, those are all cut. Like always, you know, check your lights, make sure they work. So I have some excess here, so I'll wrap that into the foliage when we're done. Now what I have here as well is the cotton berry mix. I got this from Walmart. These are $5 a bundle. They've got the cute little cotton bundles. They have the little wicker balls on there. Cranberries, you know, the pine, the holly. Actually, I don't know if those are holly berries or cranberries. I'm not sure. The pine cones. So I thought that was really cute. And so I'm going to use this. I bought 4 of them. I doubt I'm going to need 4. Then I've got 2 things of foam here, foam block, and I'm just going to position them in like this, like so, into the sleigh. And then another one on top here. I think I'm going to go ahead and just glue that one to this one. So I'm just going to put some glue on the base here. And if you wanted, you could glue the other one down to the bottom too. I kind of like the option of being able to take it out and redo it. I thought I'd burn myself, but I did it. Whew. And so now it's just a matter of, this is my reindeer I got. Isn't he pretty? Yeah, I got this from Northwoods, cute store in Pinconning. If you're ever in Michigan, shoot up by 75 to Pinconning and definitely check out Northwoods. It's got something for everyone. So he's going to go here on the top somehow. I don't know, I might have to glue him down. So we're going to start taking our nippers and cutting. I like to bring the leaves up on the stems here if I can. Probably should take the tag off. plastic off this cotton. I don't want to rip the heads off, but because I have cotton up in the other decor in my living room, so I can stick with that and tie it all in. I don't have to bring those downstairs for the winter. Let me just get this all cut. And again, cut this plastic off. Now you can go ahead and glue the ends in as you go if you'd like. Like I said, I'm just doing this. What I might want to do is basically just start. What's nice about this is, you know, you can bend it to shape too. So, got a cotton piece there. Maybe one up here. And just start filling in. You go a little bit lower with things. Position them. I love these little wicker balls there. I just want something cute and festive to put out for Christmas. It's just, you know, just simple, little cute decorative ideas. Anyway, that's what I like. Just cute, easy little things. We're going to try to put this guy in. I think just like that. I think I might hit him with some glue. Just at the base. Just right in the middle. Nothing too crazy, but... down like that. And I'm going to cut up a few more. So again, these are the cotton berry mixes from Walmart. And like I said, right now, lately, they've been getting some beautiful florals in. I'm always pleasantly surprised when I go in there and see some cute florals. And you know, obviously as you're watching me, I have no rhyme or reason of how I put these in. I just go with what I think looks good. Sorry, I should have had this plastic all taken off beforehand. Put this over here, I think. Like you said, you can position everything. But I ended up rearranging my furniture for a Christmas tree, which my husband's adamant that we don't decorate till after Thanksgiving, but you know who's going to win that one. Because I'm already decorating. And how many? There's 3 there. Oh, I don't know. I'm debating what I want to go with here. I want to fill a few more in, I think a little bit lower, but maybe the pine is what I want. Bend this a little bit. I want you to be able to see. Oh, you know what? I think I need one back there. Trying to hit the, there we go. Then maybe just take some of these lights. Well, you know what? It'd be cute if I did. I could put one in this wicker ball. Again. Just kind of the light through. Get it through. I'm going to try to put one up in that ball there. And then this one in here. And voila! There is our reindeer hiding in the winter pine there. So, I like it. And of course we just got to hide the lights, which you can just do that under the foliage back here. So, I kind of like it. I'll take a picture of it upstairs where I'm going to put it. And thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this quick little decor idea. And stay tuned. I have more coming. Thank you.